So I just got back from a long weekend in Dallas. I ate Korean barbecue, fair food, all kinds of amazing meals, basically whatever I wanted. I tracked everything, went over on calories and macros almost every single day, and when I got home, let me tell you, I gained some weight. And you know what? I'm not even fazed, not even a little bit, and I'm about to tell you why. If you ask me, planning is everything. So before we even left for vacation, I packed some healthy snacks because airport food is pricey and we really wanted to have some options. Our hunger was peaking by the time we landed in Dallas, so we grabbed a few of our yummy snacks and planned our first adventure. Korean barbecue. Oh, sweet baby Jesus, it was incredible. We ate everything, and I do mean everything. I think our strategy was pretty smart here because we focused on heaps and heaps of protein and kept everything else to a minimum. Listen, no one, and I mean no one, wants to hit the all you can eat and fill up on the super inexpensive stuff like the rice and the bread, you know? We came here for the goods, the good stuff. So I will tell you, I tracked everything I ate in my Macro Factor app, not to punish myself or to feel guilty about it, but because I am genuinely curious about how my body responds to different ways of eating. After we stuffed our delicious little bodies, we headed to one of our favorite spots in Dallas, and it is this little place called Deep Ellum. It is this amazing walkable neighborhood full of shops and restaurants, and seriously, the most incredible energy. We stopped for some ice cream and cookies at this place called Insomnia Cookies because why not? This place is seriously like 10 out of 10, and we were really just trying to walk around, get some steps in, and kill a little time. By the time we were done, it was time to check into our Airbnb. So we headed over there, and it was this super, super cute 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment that was, oh my gosh, amazing. We said we would definitely stay there again. This place is the best. With all of that out of the way, it is time to move on to our next strategic move, and that is hitting the streets because we are actually heading to the grocery store. Yes, the grocery store. Seriously, when we were walking through this little area, I felt like I was in Stars Hollow. Are you getting that vibe too? It is so cute. I can totally see like the center of the town where the gazebo is. I can see where there might be a little Josie's Market. I mean, I was feeling the energy. Maybe it's just giving so much fall. I don't know, but I loved it. I'm here for it. We ended up going so that we could grab a case of water, some lemon juice for me, and these big, beautiful bowls of fresh fruit. I don't know about you, but I am ridiculously horrible about staying hydrated when I'm on vacation. And this time around, I wanted to change that bad cycle. So even though we knew we wanted to go hard and try all the food, we also wanted to make sure that every morning, no matter what we ate the rest of the day, we were starting with fiber, hydration, and something that made our bodies feel extra good. after a little more exploring, we grabbed some tacos from one of our favorite spots called Revolver. Amazing times 10. This place, we go there every single time we're in Dallas because they are that good. So after that, we went back to our little digs and we had some of that fresh fruit and watched some TV, showered, went to bed, and that was day 1 done. It's officially day 2, and we started this day with lemon water and some fresh fruit because, listen, we got to get a little bit of that good in. After that, we hit the Airbnb's gym for a sweaty session. So I just want to be clear about this. We did not hit the gym because we're trying to burn off the things we ate yesterday or burn off what we're about to eat today. This is really because movement is non-negotiable for us. This is how we take care of our bodies, and it is really mind, body, and soul. So we make sure we get that movement in. We are intentional about it. After that, we went to the Texas State Fair, which is one of the main reasons we are in Dallas this particular weekend. And let me tell you, friend, we ate. I am talking corn dogs, steak kebabs with waffle fries, this insane milkshake, and this ridiculous, and I do mean ridiculously delicious, Dubai chocolate dipped cheesecake in a cup. We tried it all. I will tell you right now, my favorite was the steak kebab. This little place was actually grilling, like full on grilling, steak kebabs, turkey legs, chicken kebabs. So we feel like every year moving forward when we go to the state fair, this is where we are going to focus our energy. We are leaving the corn dogs behind and all the other things because this steak kebab actually felt so good to eat. It's like my body took a little deep breath and exhaled and was just overjoyed. So I will definitely be doing the steak kebabs in the future. But all of the food was delicious. You know, it is fair food. So we tried not to go too hard on the deep fried stuff. And instead we changed course and pivoted right into the sugar. So it is a crazy situation. I never, ever, ever indulge in this much sugar, but you know, when in Rome. Later that day, we walked around Deep Ellum again, getting our steps in, enjoying the sights. And then we had dinner at this incredible Italian place called Cane Rosso. Listen, when I tell you this food was ridiculous, the service was 10 out of 10, and the vibe was peaking, this is definitely a say less moment. We thoroughly, and I do mean thoroughly, enjoyed this insane meatball appetizer that had the most tender and moist meatballs I think I have ever eaten in my life. And then we topped that off with not 1, but 2 wood-fired pizzas because we could not decide. But they were so kind. Our waitress was incredible. It was just, oh my gosh, it was everything. After that, we walked some more and ended the night with ice cream sundaes at Van Leeuwen, which I have to say is now my favorite ice creamery in the entire world. I want to live at Van Leeuwen and sleep next to all the ice cream because it is that delicious. To end our day, we headed back to our Airbnb and enjoyed some fresh fruit while watching something sinful on TV, and that was day 2 in Dallas. It's officially day 3, and you know the drill, water and fruit. After that, we hit up our favorite, and I do mean favorite Mexican spot for breakfast burritos. Seriously, this is hands down our favorite Mexican fast food spot. We go there every single time we're in Dallas, and it is just incredible. And we're very happy they're doing so well. They now have 3 locations. When we started coming here, they had just the one, this one that we're at right now. But oh my gosh, so happy for them. After we enjoyed our delicious and incredibly large burritos, we walked until we found this little Mexican bakery serving up all kinds of yumminess and devoured some pastries because, why not? We followed that up by going to the main event, the reason we were actually in Dallas, and that was to watch the Dallas Cowboys play. And I'm just gonna say, I am not a sports girl. I don't enjoy watching sports like on TV, but put me in a live event, in a live setting, and I will cheer until I lose my freaking voice. I love it. I have the best time. So when we go to the games, we love to hang out pre-game. We love to people watch, we love to dance, and on this particular day, we also enjoyed an ice cream sandwich before kickoff and really just took in the entire experience. We soaked it up. We were so grateful. After the game, we went back to the same Mexican restaurant for dinner and shared surf and turf fries and a carne asada plate, both of which were incredible. We had never had these particular dishes, and I have to say they are now a permanent part of my rotation. And then, because apparently we hadn't had enough or done enough damage, we walked around Deep Ellum again because movement, and well, Deep Ellum, and we got cookies and ice cream from Insomnia Cookies. Again. Which brings me to day 4. We started with heaps of lemon water, and then it was time to head to the airport. So at the airport, we walked around a bit, then grabbed some fresh fruit salads before our flight. We just knew this day was our get back on track day, so we really wanted to start it right and keep it going. Listen, by this point, I could feel everything. The inflammation, the bloating. My sleep was not agreeing with me. It wasn't even trying to cooperate because, when you fuel your body with a lot of sugar and fried stuff for 3 days straight, bad things happen. Who the heck knew? But listen, I wasn't surprised. I wasn't upset. I wasn't spiraling. I was really just observing. And this for me was data. This is what happens when I eat this way for a few days and honestly, even like 1 or 2 meals. And that is information that is super valuable for me. And more importantly, can I just say, zero regrets. Zero regrets. We had such an incredible time. We made amazing memories. We ate all the food, and I knew exactly what to do the moment I got home. So before we left for Dallas, I prepped meals and put them in the freezer, knowing that when we came back, I wanted to make my life as easy as possible. So on this day, when we walked in the door, exhausted from travel and all the food that was just kind of sloshing around in our bodies and weighing us down, there was already food waiting for us. Healthy, nourishing, ready to eat food. And to make life even easier for the upcoming days and week, we had healthy groceries delivered. This is one of the reasons why I love planning and I love prepping. This is why it matters to do these things ahead of time. It's not to be perfect, it's not a flex, but it's really just to make it easy to take care of yourself when you need to. So the next day, just following my routine, I stepped on the scale and found that I was 6 pounds heavier than I was the day that I left for Dallas. Now, I know how this works by now. Most of it was water weight from all the sodium and the inflammation and all the things. And I have to say, I'm really proud of myself. I looked at the scale and literally said, cool. And that was that. Like, seriously, that was that. And then I got back to life. I made my normal breakfast. I drank my normal lemon water. I went to the gym and moved my body, went for walks, ate the foods that make me feel oh so good. And honestly, it took zero effort.
I have a strawberry side on the side next to you. No wasting time.